Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. Actually, let me reopen it like this. Once you open the app, and you should see the home page. Now tap on profile icon, and here you should see list of my devices, and on it there should be AMAZFIT Balance. Once you find it, tap on the AMAZFIT Balance to select it. On this page, scroll down, find the Unpair button, tap on it, tap on Unpair, tap on OK, Unpair, and the watch will disappear from the list of my devices, and it should reset itself to the factory default settings, like this. So we can close the app, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.